All right, viewers, this is a big development which we are breaking for you at this moment. Government sources have informed that there are signals which indicate that cargoes will soon start moving through the Strait of Hormuz. That's the big breaking news coming in. What's the buzz when it comes to the Hormuz movement? Government sources basically saying that activity, cargo movement might begin very soon. This is a very positive signal. Pragya joining us live on the broadcast. Pragya, this is a big development coming in. What is it that you're picking up from your sources when it comes to the buzz over the possible movement when it comes to the Strait of Hormuz?
Absolutely, Meenakshi, and the government sources are telling us that there are signs of de-escalation as far as this whole war with Iran is concerned. And in fact, Iran has come on record to say that it won't be attacking any of the neighbors if those neighbors won't attack Iran. This is also one of the signals that the government is looking at as far as movement of cargoes at the Strait of Hormuz is concerned. And the government believes, as per their conversations and back-channel talks with interlocutors, with top officials of these countries and also the establishment of these countries, that cargoes will soon start moving through Strait of Hormuz as well. As it is, Meenakshi, the government has also replenishing its holdings for the crude oil from various other sources. 60% we used to get from other sources, route other than Strait of Hormuz, but we have already started taking it at 70%, 10% increase in particular replenishment from other routes. Now we are less dependent on Strait of Hormuz, which has come down from 40 to 30%. So that would also mean that while we are also looking at our holdings and stock of crude oil, which is in no doubt, we are comfortably placed. Government sources says that they have signals that soon the movement of cargoes from that Strait of Hormuz will soon going to begin, is what the government sources have picked up.
Yeah, help us understand why this particular piece of information is so very significant for us. What does this mean for India's, energy procurement as well, overall trade when it comes to the indication which you are highlighted when it comes to the cargoes likely to move very soon likely to move across and through the Strait of Hormuz?
Well, Meenakshi, when we source crude oil for petrol, diesel, and also the products of petrol for that matter, when we source it from other countries, we always look at the proximity of the geography of those countries. Strait of Hormuz, we are taking a lot of energy from Gulf countries. So 40% of our crude oil comes through Strait of Hormuz. So it automatically would mean that we will be falling short of 40% because the cargo is still in transit and it won't be able to cross Strait of Hormuz. And this is why we have diversified our sources. We have also called up our various countries and sources and said that, you need to replenish more of the energy that we were taking from. And in fact, Qatar has also has declared force majeure, which also would mean that we also, as part of the companies who are taking the petroleum product from Qatar, would also have to ensure that we also call for force majeure and stop the purchase. As soon as Qatar will do away with force majeures, we will be the first country to get the energy resources. So we all have to look at other scenarios as well. But if Strait of Hormuz is blocked for us, that would also mean that we will take a longer route of Cape of Hope, Good Hope, and that would also increase the transportation cost. So looking at all the cost prices and all, because there is certain amount of subsidy that the government can give to the companies, and also it is about the insurance. Now the Development Finance Corporation of US has also said that $20 billion corpus has been put aside for reinsurance, because these are some very costly cargoes that are coming in from Strait of Hormuz. If there is any sort of attack on it, then that would mean that they have to bear a huge amount of cost. So that will also have to be taken into consideration, and that is why if Strait of Hormuz becomes operational and also few of the cargoes start moving in towards India, like it is from one particular country, that would mean that there would be no sort of dearth and no sort of even some sort of pressure on India about the availability of energy resources as far as crude oil is concerned.
Well, absolutely. There is a very significant development. Pragya, thank you for joining us with all these updates.